20 classic cars under $5,000. Some run and drive, others need serious work, but all of them have real potential. Let's take a closer look. Car 1, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Series Sedan. $5,000, LaGrange, Georgia. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 Series is powered by a 230 inline-6 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new carburetor, fuel system components, ignition upgrades, brakes, and more. The car runs and drives well, making it a usable classic right away. It comes with additional parts like door panels and upgraded cooling components. However, it is being sold with a bill of sale only, not a traditional title. Overall, it's a well-sorted driver with solid mechanical updates and light project potential. Car 2, 1964 Plymouth Barracuda. $49.99, Quincy, Illinois. This 1964 Plymouth Barracuda has been modified with a 318 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and upgraded intake and carburetor setup. It also features a posi rear end and front disc brake conversion, making it a more performance-oriented build. The car will need bodywork and some structural repairs, including suspension mounting points. It last ran in late 2025 and will need a battery to get going again. Overall, it's a long-term project with strong mechanical components and good performance potential. Car 3, 1964 Ford Galaxy 500. $5,000, Centralia, Missouri. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 is a pillarless two-door equipped with a 390 FE V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and has been used as a regular driver, showing that it is still functional despite its age. The car includes extra body parts and has relatively solid structure with only minor rust. It comes with a clean title and is described as a dependable cruiser. Overall, it's a usable classic with room for improvement, but strong driving capability. Car 4, 1963 Dodge Dart Sedan. $4,750, North Carolina. This 1963 Dodge Dart is powered by a slant 6 engine with a manual transmission and has received numerous recent replacements, including brakes, fuel system, and ignition components. It is described as roadworthy and ready to drive. The car does have an exhaust leak due to a gasket issue and may need minor mechanical attention. Despite that, it offers a unique vintage driving experience with most essential systems already refreshed. Overall, it's a solid entry-level classic with practical usability. Car 5, 1979 Chevrolet El Camino SS Project Roller. $3,400, Greenville, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino SS is being sold as a roller, meaning it does not currently have an engine or transmission installed. The frame is clean and it comes with a large number of parts for suspension and brake restoration. Additional components such as LS swap mounts, fuel system parts, and electronics are included. It's clearly a project-focused vehicle with a strong foundation. Overall, it's best suited for someone planning a full custom build or performance project.
Car 6, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. $5,000, Salisbury, Indiana. This 1979 Camaro Berlinetta is powered by a 350 V8 and runs well with no major engine issues reported. It features a solid body with only light surface rust and retains many of its original features, including air conditioning components. The car will need some minor work to be fully road-ready, particularly with brakes and steering adjustments. Still, it is close to being a complete driver. Overall, it's a solid classic muscle car with minimal restoration needed. Car 7, 1971 Ford Mustang Fastpack Project. $5,000, Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. This 1971 Ford Mustang Fastpack comes with a 302 engine that can start and run with some basic setup, though it requires a proper fuel system to be fully operational. It also includes extra interior parts and components. The car needs assembly work, including seats, ignition, and minor body attention due to rust. It is not a finished car, but does have a clean title. Overall, it's a project Mustang with strong potential for restoration. Car 8, 1977 Lincoln Continental, $5,000, Richmond, Virginia. This 1977 Lincoln Continental has been modified with a diesel engine swap and automatic transmission. It runs and drives, and many systems like lighting and accessories are functional. However, the transmission must be shifted manually due to missing electronic control. Despite that, the car stands out as a unique custom build. Overall, it's a distinctive classic that offers something different from stock examples. Car 9, 1971 Plymouth Scamp, $1,500, Holly Springs, Mississippi. This 1971 Plymouth Scamp runs and drives with a 318 engine and includes power steering and air conditioning. It is a complete car, but has braking issues that need immediate attention. The car does not come with a title and is being sold with a bill of sale only. It's a budget-friendly entry into classic cars, but will require work before it can be safely driven. Overall, it's a low-cost project with usable fundamentals. Car 10, 1976 AMC Pacer, $4,200, Paragould, Arkansas. This 1976 AMC Pacer is a running and driving classic with working air conditioning and a relatively clean body. It shows typical wear with minor dents and imperfections, but is not heavily rusted. The car is described as a usable driver that can be enjoyed as is while improving over time. Its unique design makes it stand out among other classics. Overall, it's a solid and quirky vintage car with everyday usability.
Car 11, 1973 Mercedes-Benz 280C, $5,000, Jackson, Tennessee. This 1973 Mercedes-Benz 280C is a classic coupe powered by a strong inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. It is described as a smooth driving car with a clean title and overall solid mechanical condition for its age. The car runs and drives well, but it does have a known issue where the brakes begin to weaken after about 15 minutes of driving, suggesting some maintenance will be needed. There is also minor rust visible. Overall, it's a usable vintage European car that can be driven now while gradually being improved. Car 12, 1972 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $3,500, Salem, Indiana. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 features its original 307 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. It represents a classic and simple truck setup that is easy to work on and widely supported. The downside is significant rust throughout the body, meaning it will require serious restoration work. Mechanically, it provides a solid base, but cosmetically and structurally it needs attention. Overall, it's a straightforward project truck with traditional appeal. Car 13, 1979 Jeep CJ7, $3,500, Washington, Indiana. This 1979 Jeep CJ7 comes equipped with a 4.2-liter inline-six and a 3-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well, and the 4x4 system is fully functional, making it capable both on and off the road. The vehicle appears to be in usable condition with good tires and no major mechanical concerns reported. It may show age cosmetically, but it offers a fun and practical classic driving experience. Overall, it's a ready-to-enjoy off-road classic with minimal immediate needs. 14, 1968 Volkswagen Beetle, $5,000, Lisbon, Ohio. This 1968 Volkswagen Beetle has had significant front-end work completed, including new suspension components and brake upgrades. The structure is described as solid, making it a good candidate for continued restoration. While the engine runs, the car has not been started recently, so it is recommended to transport it rather than drive immediately. It will need some recommissioning before regular use. Overall, it's a solid classic Beetle project with good groundwork already done. Car 15, 1960 Cadillac Series 60 Flat Top, $4,500, Morganton, North Carolina. This 1960 Cadillac Series 60 Flat Top stands out with its rare low roof design and wraparound rear glass. It is powered by a 390 engine that runs, though the carburetor will need rebuilding for proper drivability. The car requires extensive bodywork and is not ideal for a full factory restoration. However, it would make a strong base for a custom build or hot rod project. Overall, it's a unique classic with character and solid mechanical starting point.
Car 16, 1974 Dodge Charger Special Edition, $5,000, Charlottesville, Virginia. This 1974 Dodge Charger Special Edition is an original V8 automatic car with features like air conditioning and rear defrost. It was running in the past but has been sitting and will need work to return to full driving condition. The car currently has no title, which may affect registration depending on location. It remains a complete and mostly original example. Overall, it's a project car with good potential for Mopar enthusiasts. Car 17, 1929 Ford Model T Custom Truck, $5,000, Beth-Halto, Illinois. This 1929 Ford Model T has been converted into a custom truck and is reported to run and drive. It offers a unique blend of early automotive history with a more practical custom body style. Details are limited, but the fact that it is operational adds value. It stands out as something different compared to more common classic builds. Overall, it's a distinctive vintage vehicle with niche appeal. Car 18, 1965 Ford Falcon Futura, $3,900, Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. This 1965 Ford Falcon Futura is powered by a 200 inline-six with an automatic transmission and runs and drives. It has received updates including new tires, suspension parts, and fuel system components. It will need alignment and some structural repairs like floor pans and torque boxes. Despite that, it is currently usable. Overall, it's a drivable project that can be improved over time while still being enjoyed. Car 19, 1968 Mercedes-Benz 250 Sedan, $1,000, Plainwell, Michigan. This 1968 Mercedes-Benz 250 is a project car that is mostly complete but partially disassembled.
The engine is in place and many parts are included, with the interior reported to be in good condition. It will require reassembly and additional mechanical work to get running again. The low price reflects the work needed. Overall, it's a budget-friendly restoration opportunity with a solid base. Car 20, 1975 Ford Pinto, $500, Pikeville, North Carolina. This 1975 Ford Pinto is being sold without an engine or transmission and in very rough condition. It does come with a clean title, which adds some value for rebuilding or parts use. The car would require a full restoration from the ground up and is not currently drivable. It is best suited for parts or a very low-budget project. Overall, it's an entry-level project for someone willing to take on a complete rebuild. If you enjoy realistic classic car finds like these, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments, which one would you actually buy and fix? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.